moment, but looking Kemper at her best again, another sub-11 second athlete coming back into good form. This is the Commonwealth, the current Commonwealth champion, whose best 2 years ago was 10.82. The only athlete in this field that hasn't broken 11 is Pinto. We'll come to her in a second. This is Daphne Skippers, of course, a world champion at the longest sprint distance, 200 meters. Made it through here as a fastest loser. There is Pinto. Very good performance from her in the semi-final. Got a good start, held on well. So 2 German athletes in lanes 1 and 4. Then we've got 2, of course, the normal 2 from the Ivory Coast. Talou, silver medalist at those World Championships. And indeed at 60 indoors, 100 outdoors, 200 outdoors. And then there she is, smiling, and why shouldn't she be smiling? The double Olympic champion from 2008-2012, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Lots of Jamaican support, of course, in this city, and have come out to cheer their hero, one of their heroes. So Dina Asher-Smith, the European champion. British crowd hoping that she can lift herself to challenge Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce here. Ahouré, the world indoor champion from 2018 at 60 meters, also of the Ivory Coast. And then the former Commonwealth champion at this distance, Blessing Okagbare from Nigeria in lane 9, who has shocked a couple of the fields earlier on in the season, but I suspect the way Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going today, that won't happen. So how quick do we think Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce can go here? What can Dina Asher-Smith do? Can she put her under pressure? Can she hang on to her? Can she herself find a fast time? 10.91 for Dina Asher-Smith in qualifying, 10.95 for Fraser-Pryce, who, to be fair, was easing through. This is the final event of what's been an immense weekend of great performances. Well, we have another one here to finish off. Thousandths of a second. A false start for the world champion of 200 meters. So now we're down to 8 women. Looking Kemper, Michelle Ahi in 2, then 3 now empty. Then we've got Tatiana Pinto, Marie-Josée Talou, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Dina Asher-Smith in lanes 6 and 7. Murielle Ahouré in 8 and Blessing Okagbare in 9. Dina Asher-Smith takes second spot. She makes it look so easy. I said she was flowing. That's what it is like. It's almost poetry in motion, watching her. A good start, a great start, and then after that, she just keeps going away. It's been taken up by a slight notch to 10.78. Dina Asher-Smith, 10.92 in second place. Nothing she could do about Fraser-Pryce. She gets such a good start, and then she just runs faster. You can't say anything else. She just runs faster than everybody else.
Steve, it's amazing. At the moment, in Shelly-Ann's racing, I see no weakness. She reacts to the gun very well. Then she gets out the block solid, very strong. Then she has incredible pickup, good knee lift all the way through, and she doesn't seem to fade. She doesn't get tight. So this is going to be a person that's going to be so difficult to beat. Adding to that, she has a wealth of experience in taking these titles. So only person that's come close when she's running like this is another Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson, who only just beat her by a fraction, thousandths, at those Jamaican championships. Watch this again here. There's nothing really Dina can do. She can't get close to her in the first 20 meters, and if you can't get close to her then and put her under any sort of pressure, you've got no chance of beating her. She's still moving away from the field, pumping hard, focused all the way. And when you're that determined as a champion, trust me, it's tough, so tough for all your opponents. Here's Dina, out the blocks well. Again, she didn't do really anything that wrong. She was just beaten by a quality athlete who just seems to be on the top of her game. All that Dina can really do is just...
At the London Anniversary Games, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce delivered a masterclass in sprinting that once again underscored her legendary status in track and field. With clinical precision, the Jamaican icon surged to victory in the 100 meters, clocking a blistering 10.78 seconds. Her performance was a testament to her enduring brilliance and unrelenting dominance when in top condition. Facing a formidable lineup that included Britain's own Dina Asher-Smith, Côte d'Ivoire's Marie-Josée and Murielle Ahouré, as well as Nigeria's blessing Okagbare, Fraser-Pryce still managed to outshine the competition. Asher-Smith ran valiantly and crossed the line in 10.92 seconds for second place, but she could not bridge the gap opened by the Jamaican great. From the instant the gun went off, Fraser-Pryce's reflexes were razor-sharp. Her trademark rocket launch off the blocks put her ahead almost immediately. She separated herself with authority, her stride mechanics crisp and efficient. As the others labored to catch her through the middle phase, Fraser-Pryce maintained fluid velocity, increasing her lead with every step. By the 60-meter point, it became clear the race had already been decided. Analysts marveled at her textbook execution, noting her dynamic arm action, upright posture, and precise foot placement. These technical elements, combined with ironclad focus and years of elite experience, elevate her to a level few athletes ever reach. Her ability to remain composed under pressure and deliver flawless performances has become her signature. Widely known by the nickname Mommy Rocket, Fraser-Pryce has redefined what it means to return after childbirth. Far from fading, she re-emerged as an even more dangerous contender, winning major championships and inspiring generations of athletes. At 30 years old during this outing, she appeared to defy time, delivering yet another performance that showcased her hunger to remain at the top. Although she has stated that the 2024 Paris Olympics will mark the end of her Olympic journey, she has not ruled out continuing beyond that. With no formal retirement announcement, speculation swirls about whether she might extend her competitive career into 2025. Should she do so, fans can anticipate explosive encounters with fellow Jamaican stars Shericka Jackson and Elaine Thompson-Herah, rivalries that have already produced some of the most electrifying races in recent memory. Regardless of when she chooses to hang up her spikes, Fraser-Pryce's place in sprinting history is unshakable. Her unwavering discipline, remarkable durability, and unmatched consistency place her among the sport's eternal legends. Whether she races one more season or not, her influence will resonate across athletics for decades to come.